Hello, this is Chris from Onyx. Today we're going to review the HP LaserJet Pro 4001N printer. We'll be conducting 4 comprehensive tests to evaluate its performance. One, we're going to do a pages per minute test. We're going to do a color darkness and font test, an overview of the printer's features, and a wired printing speed test. Then we will be giving the printer an Onyx score.
We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Let's start things off with the pages per minute test. We'll have the printer push out as many pages as it can in 1 minute. Impressive! This printer managed to print 40 pages in just 1 minute, which makes it excellent among its competitors. Next up is the color darkness and font test. We'll print a test page with a variety of font sizes and colors to assess the printer's true performance. As you can see, this printer's color darkness is nice and it handles different font sizes decently. Now let's delve into the features of this printer. For those of you who are printer enthusiasts, you'll find more details in the description. This printer is a limited machine that can only print. It prints at a speed of 40 pages per minute, comes with a 250 sheet input tray, it uses one 148A or 148X cartridge, and is compatible with Windows, Mac, Linux, and Unix operating systems. It also supports mobile printing and has standard USB and Ethernet connectivity. It comes with a 2-line backlit LCD graphic display, it's ENERGY STAR qualified energy efficiency, and it includes a 1-year unit exchange warranty. Next, we're going to do the wired printing speed test. Impressive! The printer managed to process the job in a little over 8 seconds, which makes it excellent among its competitors. Now, let's rate this printer with an Onyx score and wrap up with our final thoughts. The HP LaserJet Pro 4001N is a heavy-duty printer designed primarily for printing tasks. Its sturdy build ensures durability and it handles everyday printing needs with ease. However, there are some limitations it lacks: copying, scanning, and faxing capabilities. If you require a more versatile printer with features like a user-friendly touchscreen, duplex printing, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and USB connectivity, we recommend upgrading to the HP LaserJet Pro 4101 FDW. The 4101 FDW is more suitable for busy work settings and provides a wider variety of features. Thank you for joining me in this review and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.